Hey there, hackers and future cybersecurity experts. Welcome back to HackProKP, the ultimate destination for mastering ethical hacking. I'm your host, Kailash Parshad, and today we are diving deep into the third video of our Computer Networks Fundamental section in our Cracking OSCP series. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey. In our ongoing exploration of computer networks fundamentals, today's topic is crucial. What is a protocol? Now buckle up because understanding this is like holding the keys to the kingdom in the world of cybersecurity. So what exactly is a network protocol? A network protocol is an established set of rules that determine how the data is transmitted between different devices in the network. Essentially, it allows connected devices to communicate with each other regardless of any differences in their internal processes, structure, or design. Let me make it simple. It's like the language that devices speak to each other, whether they are next door or across the globe. These rules ensure a smooth conversation between them. Now let's put a face to these protocols. Meet Alice and Bob. Think of them as the lead actors in a cybersecurity play, demonstrating how these rules work in a human-friendly setting. On the left, we have a duo, and on the right is the real-world equivalent. As we can see, Alice initiates the conversation with a greeting "Hi." Bob responds with a courteous "Hi." Following this, Alice inquires about the time. Bob promptly replies 2 o'clock. On the right-hand side, we witness a real-world scenario. A client establishes a TCP connection with a Udemy server. Note, detailed discussion on TCP connections will be covered later in this course, so don't worry. The client PC sends a connection request which the server accepts. Subsequently, the PC issues a HTTP GET request to a file on the Udemy server, to which the server responds by providing the requested file. Let's revisit the example on the left involving Alice and Bob. In the context of a protocol, this communication is unidirectional, means only one way. The protocol dictates that Alice must initiate the conversation with a greeting, and subsequent interactions follow a predefined sequence. If she deviates from this sequence, or if Bob initiates communication, Alice's application side will only comprehend the predefined actions within the protocol. For instance, she can only inquire about the time, and Bob will respond with the time formatted according to the protocol specifications. On the left, we just observed a scripted interaction between Alice and Bob, and on the right, a client chatting with a Udemy server. Requests, responses, it's like a digital tango following the steps laid out by the protocol. And now let's talk power players, that is, our popular protocols. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. TCP is a connection-oriented protocol that ensures reliable and ordered delivery of data between devices on a network. It establishes a connection before data transfer and manages the flow of information. UDP, User Datagram Protocol. UDP is a connectionless protocol that focuses on speed and efficiency rather than guaranteed delivery. This means some of the data could be lost during transmission. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is the foundation of data communication on the World Wide Web. It defines how messages are formulated and transmitted, and how web servers and browsers should respond to various commands. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP is a protocol for sending email messages between servers. It works collaboratively with other email protocols like POP3 and IMAP to enable the sending and receiving of emails. POP3, Post Office Protocol version 3. POP3 is an email retrieval protocol that allows a user to download their email messages from a server to a local device. It is one of the methods used by email clients to access emails. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. FTP is a standard network protocol used to transfer files between a client and a server on a computer network. It supports both uploading and downloading of files and is commonly used for website maintenance and data transfer. Telnet. Telnet is a network protocol used for remote terminal connections. It allows a user to log into a remote system as if they are physically present at that system. providing text-based communication. All the communication between the devices is in plain text. SSH Secure Shell. SSH is a cryptographic network protocol for secure data communication, remote command line login, remote command execution, and other secure network services between two network computers. It provides strong authentication and encrypted communication. Unlike Telnet, as the name suggests, SSH is encrypted. These are the rock stars of the cyber stage, each with its unique role in making sure your data gets where it needs to go. As we wrap up our journey into what is a protocol in computer networks fundamentals, I hope you have enjoyed this deep dive. If you found value in today's content, don't forget to show some love, hit the like button, share the video with your fellow hackers, and if you haven't already, subscribe to HackProKP for more in-depth insights into the world of ethical hacking. Until next time, keep those keyboard crackling, your terminal buzzing, and remember, the only limit is your curiosity. This is Kailash from HackProKP, empowering you to hack with purpose. See you in the next one.